Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to remove your avatar on Discord using your PC, especially with the latest update. Let's dive in. First, open Discord on your computer. Once you're in, you'll see the main interface filled with your servers and friends. Next, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents your user settings. Go ahead and click on it to access your settings. Now that you're in the user settings menu, you'll find a variety of options on the left side. Click on My Account. This section contains all your account details, and from here, we'll proceed to edit your profile. Once you're in the My Account section, look for the button labeled Edit User Profile. Click on that, and you'll see your current avatar displayed along with other profile settings. Finally, to remove your avatar, click on the Remove Avatar option. A prompt might pop up asking you to confirm the action, confirm your choice, and voila! Your avatar has been successfully removed. And that's it. You've just updated your Discord profile by removing your avatar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord and other platforms. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn about. See you in the next video.